Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
It's Jessica here, and welcome to my latest walking tour of the beautiful beaches of Nazare, Portugal. If you're anything like me, then you absolutely love exploring new and exciting destinations, and Nazare is definitely no exception. You can even see them hauling in their daily catch along the shore. From there, we make our way to Praia do Salgado, a beautiful secluded beach that's perfect for anyone looking to escape the crowds. This peaceful spot is surrounded by natural vegetation, and the clear waters of the Atlantic are ideal for swimming or just relaxing in the sun.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
Finally, we end our tour at Praia da Vila, a beautiful beach with a stunning view of the town's historic center. As we stroll along the boardwalk, you can see the colorful houses and charming cafes that line the streets. I hope you've enjoyed our walking tour of the beautiful beaches of Nazare, Portugal. As always, don't forget to click that like button and leave a comment below telling me your favorite part of the tour. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel videos.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!